Well, I could be all day long teaching you different CSS properties, but remember, the best way to learn is to apply your knowledge to real-life projects. And that's what we are going to do in this course, because we are going to design the landing page for the Magic Kit I showed you at the beginning. And there you will learn about tons of new CSS properties, how they work, and how to apply them to real-life websites. But another way to learn is to go to real websites you like, open the browser developer tools and start inspecting each element. How is it styled? Try modifying some properties to see how it impacts the website. And if you don't understand something, go find answers online, because everything is in Google perfectly explained. So those are two really great ways to learn CSS fast with the project we're going to develop in this course and future projects that you develop it yourself, and also going to real life websites, inspecting the elements, trying to modify them, and try to replicate them with your own code.